What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. How's you guys doing? Things are going good. Back to the channel. What I got going on today, or what I've been doing for the past couple days, mostly week. Repainting my wheels. Obviously, I was trying to do it a proper way, but I got into some big trouble. So let me show you what I got going on. This is the second one. So that's coming out. So I'm doing that one right now. I'm like on the second coat. I'm gonna start sanding this one down. I think you can tell the difference. This is a finished one right here. I did that one last night. This one I just sanded down. I cleaned it, letting it dry, and then I'm gonna do wax that grease remover. So let me go on and tell you what's going on. So I was gonna remove the face. I was gonna remove the face from the barrel, but this little bolt right here, that little bolt is called a triple square bolt. Well, basically, because it's 6 points, 12 points, I mean. So it's triple square. It's a M7, and I cannot find it. O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Napa, Harbor Freight, Home Depot. Can't find it nowhere. So I am forced to leave the faces on and try the best to like sand this down and the face as good as I can. I'm trying to sand down these little cracks right here. Anything cracking, any little imperfections that I shouldn't. I'm doing with a 60 grit, and then I'm going with a 1,000 or 100, and then so I could soften it up, and then so on. But that's what I'm doing for now. Not really vlogging it. I just doing this real quick. Kit Hyper Silver Dupe color. Best I can get to like a silver. I remember I did a silver. This is the old one. If you guys remember, I did silver too. It came out like that, but that's on with clear coat. When I put on the clear coat, it turned into a dark light gray. I don't know how that happened, but that's just with clear coat and everything. So that's pretty dope. And then this one's with clear coat too, but it turned into a light gray. So yeah, that's for now. So right now I'm gonna head to the store, get some more of that paint. Hopefully I finish this by tonight. Get them back on the car. Just sand it down so you can tell. I like try to smooth these out so the best of my ability. Obviously I'm not a professional painter, and it's really uncomfortable without having them taken off, so that's another thing. Alright. So I finished up my wheels and I put them on the car, but I do have a big surprise for you guys, and you guys have to stay tuned to watch that. See you in the next one.